Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on AutoCAD 2020. Today we are going to take a look at the AutoCAD interface. First of all, we will start the application menu. A series of tabs make up the ribbon like as Home, Insert, Manage, etc. and organize the tool into common group. In the top left corner where you find the AutoCAD A icon, this gives you access to basic file functions such as new, open, save as, print, and export, etc. Think of it as your file management hub. Then next we can move on Quick Access toolbar right next to AutoCAD icon in Quick Access toolbar, which give you shortcut for frequent command like save, undo and redo. You can customize this by adding your favorite tools here like this, see on Quick Access toolbar. The next is ribbon bar. The ribbon spans the top of the screen. It is your primary toolbox divided into tabs like Home, Insert, Annotate, View, Parametric and more. Each tab is organized into panel containing specific tool. For example, in the Home tab, you will find common commands like line, polyline, circle, arc, trim, mirror, rotate and move. The ribbon is context sensitive, meaning it changes based on what you are working on, making it easy to access relevant tool when needed. Now this is the drawing area. The drawing area is where all the magic happens. It's the main workspace where you will create design. By default, you are working in model space, which is designed for creating your drawing at full scale. You can switch to layout space when you are ready to prepare for printing. Then now the command line. At the bottom of the screen, you will see the command line. This is one of the AutoCAD most powerful tools where you can type command directly or see prompts that guide you executing them. Instance type line to start drawing a line. Keep an eye on command line for helpful hints and real-time feedback. Now this is the status bar located at bottom right to status bar. Offers toggle like a grid snap, ortho, mode, object snap and dynamic input. These help improve precision and drawing control. For example, ortho mode, you ensure your lines are perfectly horizontal or vertical, and object snap help you snap to key point like end point or midpoint of object. Now this is navigation tools. On the right side you will find the navigation bar, which include tools like zoom, pan or beat. You will use to move around your drawing, especially useful when working the large or complex design. The view cube located above the navigation bar help in 3D work by allowing you to quickly rotate the view to different angles such as top, front or isometric views.